Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I would call a no bullshit product, and let me explain what I mean by that. So this is the IKBC C104. 104 means there's 104 keys on the keyboard. So this is a fully mechanical Cherry MX brown keyboard. It also comes in blue and red variants, but I chose the browns for these ones because I want them for typing and I don't want them to be too noisy. The thing is, there's not much to say about this keyboard except for the fact that it is what it is, you know? It's a mechanical keyboard with pretty good build quality. Like, I'm trying to bend it here, but there's actually no flex in the frame, so the chassis is pretty solid. You have a single non-braided USB cable as the connector. Apart from that, that's really it. 104 keys, no fancy macro keys or anything of that sort. No Windows key, yes, but no volume keys, media keys, macro keys, additional function keys. It does not even have lighting, so no lighting at all, no RGB, no backlighting at all. It's your old school keyboard with PBT keycaps. So that is the main selling point of this keyboard, in my opinion, is that it has PBT keycaps, which means they'll probably last longer compared to your ABS keycaps, and they just feel really good. They have a bit more texture to them compared to ABS. It does have retractable feet as usual for any other keyboard. If you want to raise it up on your desk, that's about it. Padded rubber sides for a bit of adhesivity, and you have this like label thing which just says IKBC model C104 mechanical keyboard, 104 keys. That's it. So when I said no bullshit, I really meant that this keyboard doesn't come with a lot. It's just a very simple product that shows you exactly what it is and what it's intended for. It's a keyboard, mechanical switches, Cherry MX brown, solid construction, simple single USB connector, and that's it. It's like no bullshit keyboard. So now the question really is this keyboard worth buying? Honestly, if you want to get this, get it for the PBT keycaps. That's really the key selling point of this keyboard, and that's also why I bought it. I've tried mechanical keyboards without PBT keycaps, and since trying PBT, I haven't really been able to get back to the feel of non-PBT keycaps. Maybe that's just me, but I enjoy how textured they feel and how durable they seem to be. Like, essentially, when I bought this, I was looking for an affordable mechanical keyboard with Cherry MX brown switches that didn't really need any fancy lighting. I don't need macro keys, I don't need media keys, any of that sort, and I really found what I was looking for. But if you're looking for something a bit fancier, maybe with RGB lighting, volume up, down, and a calculator button, now I want to check out this baby over here. This is the IKBC F108. This is 104 because it's got 104 keys. This is 108 because it's got 4 extra keys over here. Mute, volume down, volume up, and calculator. Calculator is interesting, but I have found it useful. You can check out my full review of this keyboard right on top here, linked in the annotation card thing. But yeah, this is definitely good if you want something that's fancy with RGB lights and a bit of extra keys, but still PBT keycaps. That's the highlight. Also comes in red, blue, and brown Cherry MX switches. Anyway guys, that is my review of the IKBC C104. If you have any questions about this board, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, definitely recommend this for a no bullshit, affordable mechanical keyboard that has these really nice feeling PBT keycaps. I hope this video was useful to some of you guys. Hit a like if it was, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.